Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G22, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that click here on the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the ring and notification volume panel. Just to unmute your device ringtones, you should swipe this dot to the right side with your finger by this way. Also, I have the second way how we can do that. Just press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and after that click here on the three dots, and you'll see here again the ringtone volume panel, and just to unmute it, swipe this dot to the right side. After that, just click here to done to save all the actions. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.